Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Wishcraft Oracle by Stacey Demarco with illustrations by Elizabeth Tiethoff. Hopefully I'm pronouncing those names correctly. Thank you so much to Rockpool who published this for sending this deck my way. I am so excited because I may be a little biased here, but I do love Stacey Demarco's work. So it retails for $19.95 in the US and $14.99 in the UK. So cute. Oh my gosh, that fox is sending me. I love it. So believe in the power of witchcraft. As always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you my only social media accounts. If you see social media accounts that look like me, that don't seem quite right, or they're in your DMs, it's not me. Please go block and report them. Don't get scammed. All right, with that being said, let's get into this. From blowing out candles to wishing on a shooting star, children and adults alike love making wishes. When doing witchcraft, be as clear as you can about your wish. Have fun, let go, celebrate, be creative. Finally, remember you are magic. These cards provide a fun activity for parents and children to share, and their simple, uplifting messages will inspire people of any age. Includes 30 cards and a guidebook. Ooh, okay. I'm so excited. This looks adorable. So this is just a little bumper there. Before we get into the cards, let's take a peek at the guidebook. It is like a pamphlet instead of a bounded book. We do have table of contents, so introduction, the magic starts here, how to use the cards, and then it goes into each individual card. Special note for parents and guardians, I suggest you read through each card in the Wishcraft Oracle deck before working through them with your child or children, so you are aware of each activity and how much supervision it may require, such as when using candles. Note also that this isn't just for children in your life. You can take part in every single piece of witchcraft in this deck. I love this so much. Talks about making a magic circle. Okay, and then how to use the cards. Each card provides a witchcraft activity, all designed to focus attention and balance and encouraging the feelings of emotion in real time. On the front of each of the 30 cards is an affirmation or invocation, which are magic words to say out loud to inspire you. In this booklet, there is a description of the witchcraft activity for each card. Here are some of the examples you could use them. Choose a card for the day and say out loud and concentrate on the magic words only. Shuffle the cards and pull one you feel drawn to. This is your activity for the day, week, or lunar cycle. Okay, awesome. So then it just goes into more and then into the cards all color printed. Love it. And then we have some about the author and illustrator. Cute. Okay, I'm super excited. Oh, and we even have a hollow gilded edge there. Cute. And they are glossy. I love it. All right, let's talk about cardstock. Oh, nice. Okay, so it's not super thin. It's very flexible. It doesn't snap back right away, but I have a feeling it's going to shuffle very nice. I like that it's got that gloss coating because if your kids are going to be using them a lot, this helps prevent a lot of damages, as well as, you know, sometimes we have sticky fingers and this will help just wipe that off a little bit easier. All right, I'm going to bring you closer. We do have the number up top, the title, and then the invocation or the affirmation. This fox is too much. I love it. So that was the magic circle, and this is the wishing tree. My wishes grow big like a tree. Careful again when you are separating the cards, just go slow because that gilding likes to stick together. Just the manufacturing process there. The crown, I'm a good leader. Be an animal. I share my world with animals, which have all kinds of strengths. So far, I really like this. Dance the rainbow. I love to have beauty in my life. So pretty. Bubble power. My wishes float easily out into the world. You know, this would be very good if you're trying to do some inner child work healing. That just came to me. Just seeing these images and what they're about. Hope jar. I am full of hope and I take action. I love this one. Create a spiral. I am flowing with the seasons. Oh, that's so pretty. All the little different rocks. What a great idea. Build a fairy house. There is magic everywhere. Let the leaves go. I can let go of what I no longer need. Time capsule. I have the confidence to be myself. Love your body. I love my body. Bake magic cookies. I can give good things to myself and others. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Flying broom. I can let go of my mistakes. Oh my gosh. Let me know if any of these are something that you needed to hear today. Oh, my voice is heard in the world. Oh my gosh. Happy Poppet. I am enough. Freeze it. I freeze what I no longer want. Aqua Luna. I am grateful and blessed. Moon water. That is gorgeous. Happy sleep pillow. Oh, the lavender. I sleep well and I have good dreams. Paper airplane. I am free to make my wishes come true. This is giving me Alice in Wonderland vibes. Love it. Oh, wishing boat. I look forward to new challenges. Candle magic. Every day things get better. This is gorgeous. Magic eggs. Beginning something is exciting. This is a fantastic way to reframe some of your like hesitations or the things that you might be scared, like beginnings and like, you know, confidence is something that's hard to kind of fake it till you make it. Those are things that we get a little anxiety about. So these are great like affirmations and reminders. And I'm excited to get into the activities. Look at this little baby. Happy magic for pets. Animals are my friends. I am kind and loving to them. Oh my gosh. Oh, stop. Shield of crystals. I am loved and protected. Seeds of power. From tiny things, big things can grow. I love how it's illuminated like that. Send a letter to the universe. The world loves me. Moon wishes. The moon shows me patience. Painting with magic. I don't have to know everything all the time. This one, that hits home. All right, and the last card here, wish upon a star. I am made from the stuff of stars. I matter. Oh my gosh, I just love this so far. I'm so excited to get into the guidebook. All right, yeah, it shuffles so nice. It's very flexible. I like the size for kids' hands as well. It's a nice, you know, standard size Oracle card deck, I would call it. Shuffles great no matter what you do. And kids don't have to shuffle like this, you know. They can simply... that one wanted to come out. They can simply place them out like this and spread them and pick a card should they want to, or they could go through and pick a card that they're drawn to for that day. Like the guidebook said, there's lots of different ways that, you know, you can shuffle and utilize this deck. And then we got freeze it. Okay, so I freeze what I no longer want. Let's go ahead and take a look at it through the book. Okay, so here we go. Write down something that is unpleasant or that you are not feeling good about on a piece of paper. Screw it up tightly into a ball and toss it right in the back of the freezer of your fridge. This ancient magic helps freeze and reduce your sadness and helps to move you forward. You can take the ball of paper back out of the freezer if you are feeling better. Oh my gosh. This is adorable. I want to read this. Love your body. Every part of your body is special and should be loved, from the eyes you use to look at the world to the legs you use to walk. Make a wish for your body to be healthier and happier. Use some face or body paint to draw hearts and flowers and other positive symbols on your body. Place your hand just above your heart and say out loud, I love my body and I have wonderful wishes for it. State what you wish for your body. I love this. Okay, so everything is super like functional. It's stuff that we think about all the time. It's stuff as children, you know, that we go through and we think about. Teenagers, preteens, no matter what your age, you'll find use for this. Even if it's just a reminder throughout your day, even if it's just the affirmation, I find this to be very productive and helpful. I think if your children are expressing a want to get more involved in something like divination in general or witchcraft, and you're wanting to find a deck for them that is easy to utilize, this is one of them for it. I think that I'm going to definitely be using this. Meditate on it. Daily pull, journal, like for this one, freeze it. If you're a journaler, write what is something that is frustrating you. What do you want to freeze and why? Why is it giving you so much trouble? And expand upon that and keep going. I think this is beautiful. I think this is fun. I think the price point is great. I'm excited to get to know what you guys think about this. Has it been on your radar? I can't speak. I'm not excited about it. Has it been on your radar? Let me know all of your thoughts down below. And if you've made it this far in the video, drop a star emoji alongside your comment to let me know that you have. Thank you so much to Rockpool for sending this my way. I am so excited to get to know it better. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.